Height adjustment. For adjusting the riveting head height, it is necessary to unscrew the two blockade screws. Then the riveting unit can be adjusted in the correct vertical position with the aid of the handle. Important note: before performing any cycle, do not forget to screw again the blockade screws for the vertical movement. If you do not perform this operation, the lifting spindle or other components could be damaged. Stroke adjustment. For adjusting the riveting head stroke, it is necessary to release the blockade ring. Then, the mechanical stop must be turned in the desired direction. One complete turn is 2 mm, and one division is 0.01 mm. This adjustment must be done during the riveting process until the required riveting result is achieved. It is recommendable that the stroke is the shortest possible. This ensures a faster riveting time and increased operator safety. Pressure adjustment. The riveting tool working pressure can be modified if you change the pneumatic pressure in the regulating valve. The regulating knob is blocked to avoid wrong handling. For unblocking it, it is necessary to pull it upwards. Turning the valve regulator, it is possible to adjust the pneumatic pressure in a continuous way from 1.5 to 6 kilograms per square centimeter, or the hydraulic pressure depending on the model. Speed adjustment. The valve regulator allows the adjustment of the riveting head descent speed. The calibrated regulator knob is blocked for avoiding a wrong handling. For unblocking it, it is necessary to pull it. When you turn the knob clockwise, the riveting speed is reduced. Time adjustment. For adjusting the time, we must work in the semi-automatic mode. Then the keys SHIFT 7 must be pressed. After this, the riveting times must be introduced. The numerical keys must be used for introducing new figures. In addition, the keys plus and minus can be used for increasing or decreasing the current figure in tenths of a second. When using this method, it is necessary to confirm it pressing key Enter. The times used are seconds and tenths of a second.